Welcome to Professor Tinker's workshop.
Yes. Hey there, how we doing there? I just want to showcase, yes, okay. So this is, I want to show you something else that's really awesome. And this is the 1866 Golden Ranger. The Golden Ranger. Now this thing is really nice. It's got a gold-plated main frame, okay, wood and a steel barrel, okay. This is an awesome gun. You want to get your kid an awesome gun? Get him the 1866 Western rifle, okay. I mean, this thing is quality product. I'm telling you right now. This is Professor Tinker telling you this at ProTinkerToys.com. Because at ProfessorTinkersToys.com, we sell you toys that your kids are going to love. And this 1866 Golden Ranger, okay, is absolutely beautiful, okay? Solid gold. That's not real solid gold because you could probably melt that down and make about $12,000. But it is just gold-plated, okay, or gold paint, basically, which really is not worth anything other than the looks, okay? So this is the Golden Ranger 1866, and it's a lot of fun for your kid, and it's a cap gun, too. You can get caps for it. Unfortunately, I can't sell caps because I'm not allowed to ship them to the U.S. mail because it's a bunch of commie people. Okay, so don't forget, whenever you buy something at ProfessorTinkerToys.com or ProTinkerToys.com, you have the Professor Tinker guarantee.